What if I told you that 90% of the expensive machinery sits inside professional woodworking shops is nothing more than a giant, overpriced scam designed to keep your hard-earned money out of your bank account? It sounds crazy, right? We're conditioned to believe that if you want to build high-precision, flawless furniture or custom woodworking projects, you have to shell out thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars on heavy industrial gear. But a master carpenter recently revealed a brilliant, simple workshop secret that completely flips that belief on its head, proving you can get professional accuracy using basic materials and a simple router setup you can make yourself. If you've ever wanted to turn raw lumber into beautiful, functional pieces without draining your savings, stick around for every second of this, because what you're about to see isn't just a clever hack, it's a total game changer for anyone who loves building things with their own hands. Think about the last time you walked into a home improvement store or browsed woodworking machinery online. You see industrial router tables, heavy-duty shaper machines, and specialized edge banding rigs, all carrying price tags that make your jaw drop. For the average hobbyist, beginner, or small shop owner, those prices are an immediate brick wall. You end up telling yourself, well, I guess I can't make professional-grade furniture until I have 10 grand to burn. But here's the truth that tool manufacturers don't want you to realize. Precision doesn't come from a heavy cast-iron base or a flashy brand name painted on the side of a machine. Precision comes from smart geometry, stable support, and understanding how a cutting bit interacts with wood. When you look at a professional-grade sliding router table, all it really does is hold a spinning bit at a perfectly consistent angle while supporting the workpiece securely as it glides past. That's literally it. So why pay thousands when you can engineer that exact same physical mechanism using simple timber, basic fasteners, and an affordable hand trimmer or router you probably already own? Let's break down how this brilliant carpenter setup actually works and why it changes everything. Instead of mounting a router vertically underneath a massive stationary tabletop, which takes up half your garage and limits your angle of control, this genius approach mounts the router horizontally, turning it into a horizontal milling workstation. Why does a horizontal mount make such a massive difference? When you route vertically from underneath, you constantly battle gravity, dust buildup over the bit, and awkward pressure distribution on narrow boards. But when you rotate the tool onto its side and secure it to a rigid, ultra-precise sliding sled, you gain total control over the depth, alignment, and pressure. You can feed long planks of wood through smoothly, cutting complex tongue and groove joints, clean edge profiles, and perfect rabbets with absolute consistency every single time. Imagine taking basic rough-cut lumber, the kind of inexpensive pine or hardwood boards you can pick up anywhere, and passing them through this custom station. In a single smooth motion, the side-mounted router trims the edge completely flush, cuts a razor-sharp joint, and preps the board for seamless assembly. What used to take hours of tedious measuring, sanding, and readjusting on underpowered tabletop tools now happens in seconds with total repeatability. But the real magic of this design isn't just the angle, it's the custom adjustment mechanism. Most cheap commercial router tables force you to adjust bit height using clumsy plastic knobs that slip under pressure, ruining your workpiece halfway through a cut. This DIY carpenter station utilizes a simple threaded rod adjustment system. By turning a single lead screw, you can micro-adjust the bit position down to fractions of a millimeter with zero backlash. That means when you set your measurement, it stays locked in place, giving you repeatability that rivals multi-thousand-dollar CNC machinery. Now, you might be asking, is a setup like this actually safe and durable? That's the best part, because the workpiece is fully supported along a dedicated wooden fence and clamped smoothly against guide rails. Your hands stay far away from the active cutting bit. It's actually significantly safer than trying to freehand heavy boards across an open vertical router plate where kickback can happen in a fraction of a second. When you total up the cost of building a dedicated station like this, you're looking at a fraction of what a single commercial attachment costs. You use affordable lumber, standard toggle clamps, a basic router, and simple hardware store fasteners. You get the exact same micro-adjustable accuracy, the same multifunctional versatility, and the total freedom to customize the bench dimensions to fit whatever space you have in your garage or shed. Think about what you could do with the money you save. Instead of spending thousands on heavy equipment that clutters up your workspace, you can invest that money directly into premium hardwoods, better hand tools, or simply keep it in your pocket while building custom tables, cabinets, and home decor that look like they came out of a high-end design showroom. Woodworking was never meant to be an expensive, exclusive club reserved only for people with massive budgets. It's an art form rooted in human ingenuity, resourcefulness, and clever problem solving. This master carpenter idea proves that with a little creativity and the right setup, anyone can achieve master-level precision right at home without breaking the bank. If you found this idea inspiring and want to see more workshop secrets, practical DIY hacks, and high-precision building methods, hit that like button right now and follow the channel for more game-changing tips. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching this from? Drop your location in the comments so I can personally thank you.